Well, that is the actual marking of exhibits, no? We were there, of course, because the private prosecutors are acting under the direct control and supervision of the public prosecutors. As a matter of fact, we make sure that there's always the presence of public prosecutor, so that when I left around noontime, I made sure that Congressman Terry Ridon is there to watch over the marking until the conclusion in the afternoon. So yung nakita nyo pong picture, I am not actually conferring with the defense. We are witnessing the actual marking of exhibits, which is attended by the prosecution, the defense, and the impeachment court represented by the Senate officials.
Thank you, ma'am. Last na lang po from my end. You mentioned po about the DEPs. Yun po bang sinumite rin ng NBI during the Justice Committee proceedings, yung mga may pirma po, confidential fund receipts, and as well as the others from the PSA? Kasama po ba yun sa volume sa documents na minamarkahan ngayon?
Well, I can only confirm that the documents presented during the Justice Committee are included. We cannot go deeper than that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Leones, kayo, turn.